Spacious, what do you think, Baba? You're being so good.
When we met, Brendan lived in Boston and I lived in Beverly on the North Shore. I'm a foot and ankle surgeon. Because of my job, I need to be close to work. So we compromised and Brendan moved to Beverly to live with me.
I'm a commercial insurance broker and I work from home. So we live in a one-bedroom apartment. I don't know how we have gotten through this last year and a half by being in that small of a space.
We really love each other. We got married 4 months ago and recently found out we're pregnant. So it's really important that we find a house quickly.
Goose is here.
What's up?
Hey, Goose.
Hey, guys.
Hi.
What's going on,
What's up?
buddy?
Jackie has been my best friend for 15 years. Her husband is a real estate agent. So when we decided to start our search for a home, Vic was the obvious choice.
The pressure that you put on me, the minute you said we're expecting, went to the next level.
Obviously, I'm more easygoing when it comes to the house. You know, if she finds one thing wrong, then it's a no deal.
Right.
I know location is very important to you. Want to be close to family.
So we are looking to move north of Boston on the North Shore. Street needs to be as quiet as can be, close to the water, and specifically that would be close to my parents. We have dinner probably 2 or 3 times weekly. We will need help. We will need support in many different ways.
I have always fell in love with like that old colonial style house, the old wood, like the old architecture, big stone fireplace, wooden floors, the creaks, and all that stuff.
I don't love that.
Right.
Ideally, I would like a modern farmhouse, something much more new and quiet and sleek. I want high ceilings because we're both tall, open concept with a huge central island.
Today, they're in the North Shore town of Marblehead, just 5 minutes from Ashley's family, to see a home priced on their low end at $1.5 million.
This is an older house, but completely renovated. All the finishes are new, so it'll be nice and clean lines. Well, I like the outside. Clean, white. I love the fixtures.
What's up?
Hey, Victor.
Welcome to Marblehead.
I love Marblehead.
Your hometown, obviously. Close to your parents,
Yes.
close to your brother,
Yes.
sister-in-law,
Yep.
nephew.
Yep.
Yeah, it's close.
It's super open. Love the colors.
Ceilings kind of
I know they are a
a
little
little
low,
low,
actually, for us.
but it is nice and white.
You have your living area here with your fireplace.
It's not a brick or wood burning fireplace. It looks like it's gas.
It is gas. I know you want a wood-burning fireplace, but don't forget all that maintenance that comes with it.
Yeah, it's true.
Keep
It
that in
emits
mind.
heat. That's the point.
Yeah.
Right.
Gold
what Ashley
fixtures, which I
loves.
love. Is this quartz?
That is
or
quartz.
marble?
It's
Okay.
a leathered quartz. Look at the fridge, though.
This is huge.
It is huge. How's
Freezer
the
down here.
Ice maker? Yeah,
We
big.
haven't had an ice maker in a really long time.
Oh, yeah.
It's the little things that count,
so
right?
exciting.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's really open.
It's done very well. It's just, it seems like, again, I get that condo townhome feel.
That's from the outside, not
To
from
it.
the inside.
It seems small.
I love it.
I think Ashley's thinking that it's got the clean lines, the good feel to it. It's new. We need to find a house quickly due to the pregnancy, but I do think that it's too small.
No dining room, right? Or am I missing something?
There is no dining room. This
Okay.
is your dining area here.
Okay.
If we had like a big party and we like to entertain.
A
Could you get
longer table.
Longer table.
Yeah.
And then you
Yep.
have this,
This, yeah.
Oh, this is
and
cool.
the double doors.
in and out. So this is where you would entertain.
I
mean,
love the patio.
Manageable size,
Oh,
easy
yeah.
to fence in for Goose.
Enough room for a garden.
Oh, yeah. I mean, you could do a lot with this.
One of the bedrooms, it's an ensuite, perfect for your guests.
Oh, wow.
It can also be a
space.
nursery as well.
I mean, it's small, but you don't really need
Yeah.
big
I mean,
bedroom
for a nursery, I think it's perfect.
Look at the laundry
Brendan,
room.
this is your room.
Folding table.
And here you go. You have the
What we're waiting
primary
for.
bedroom. And you have that other balcony that you'd like to connect.
Yeah.
Private balcony. It's nice, but the room for a primary bedroom feels small.
Ceilings are a little low.
This is
Wow,
nice.
look at the bathroom. Double vanity,
lighting.
soaking tub.
You like it by the window?
Yeah, I
nice.
guess.
The downstairs is small. It feels like a townhome, but I like the upstairs a lot because of the high ceilings.
Right.
I love the fixtures. I love the renovation that they did, but I do agree with Brendan. It feels a little small,
Okay. It is your hometown, is that exciting?
and the location is amazing.
It's amazing.
So Vic finds something with Brendan's name written all over it, if he can sell it to Ashley.
Wow. The house looks beautiful.
I like it. Hey, Victor, how are you?
Hey, Vic.
Welcome to Beverly. You're in Beverly Farms, to be specific, and that grants you access to private West Beach.
Wow, so the beach is essentially right across the street.
Oh, I love this
Sunroof.
initial porch.
I love the floors.
Incredible.
Floors are amazing.
Nice and open.
Crown molding,
The
beautiful.
the trim work, the molding, everything. Is that gas?
It is gas, but it has that aesthetic look of
Yeah.
an older fireplace.
I get that, you're seeing that more often.
Right.
Now you're open to a gas fireplace. All of a sudden.
Well, the house is
Yeah.
beautiful. Like I walked in, I got happy. You can kind of hear the floors creaking a little bit as you're walking through.
This is the dining area here, since it is open concept.
And then I see another fireplace.
Fireplace number 2.
Oh my God.
That's really unique, actually.
High-end appliances, granite countertops.
I do like the kitchen. I love that you'll be able to pull some stools up here. A little tight for me, but I do think the high ceilings make it feel larger.
Right. I want you to see the laundry room.
So there's a lot of space down here for a laundry room.
Oh, it's
Fireplace number 3.
pretty. I do really like that.
I think you just sold Ashley.
I love the idea of a fireplace
This
in
is
the bedroom.
amazing. It's perfect.
So spacious. Only thing it doesn't have for me is 2 sinks.
You actually have the space to add a double vanity. There's 2 more bedrooms over here and a common
wow.
bathroom as well. All 3 bedrooms have walk-in closets.
Wow.
Oh,
This is good for nursery.
these are huge rooms for a colonial.
And the ceilings are high.
Ceilings are even high in the closet.
Yeah, what more can you ask for?
You have a bar here,
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
All right.
bathroom here,
Oh, nice bar.
Okay.
game entertaining room here.
And it's huge.
It's here.
Look at this.
I do like how many windows there are. The natural light in here is actually quite stunning. Vic, this is not a
amazing.
normal colonial. This is not what I think.
1.29.
I mean, look at the
Keep that number in
ceilings.
mind.
Is this to the driveway?
Wait, there's more.
And whole entertainment
It's
area.
fenced in
for outside.
already.
And there's lighting out.
Manageable, is low maintenance.
I like the space, but I know you wanted a garden, so you'd have to think about that.
Garden, beach. Garden, beach.
You love the beach.
I love the location. I
She
do.
loves the beach.
1.29 million.
I mean, I'm gonna push for it. I love this house.
It has character, Brendan. It's just, there's really nothing new about it.
So Vic finds something brand new for Ashley, but Brendan will need convincing.
Hey guys.
Hey, Vic.
Hey,
I know it's not a colonial, but this is exactly kind of like what Ashley's looking for. The perfect farmhouse.
I love it. It's everything I want.
It's going for 1.75, which is a really good deal in Manchester by the Sea. It's new construction, it's difficult to find, and it hasn't hit the market yet.
It gives me a little bit of anxiety walking into something at the very tip of our budget. You know, we've got the new baby coming. It's scary.
High ceilings.
Very high.
Love it.
Well, look at the wall. I like the texture on that wall.
Yeah, incredible wainscoting gives it a nice little look. It does not have that stone fireplace you desire, but it does have a fireplace nonetheless.
Yeah.
It's one switch, off and on.
Gold fixtures.
You got the gold fixtures, quartz countertop, high-end appliances, wine fridge.
You can't get any better with the open concept.
You have a space here, you can put a table here if you choose to.
And the lighting is nice, but nothing in here is old. I don't feel any character in this house at all. The house is gorgeous, but the house is just not me. If you're wondering what almost a $2 million home would get you, this floor has not squeaked one time.
So the basement is not finished.
Not finished, but the potential here, it's a clean slate.
Obviously, the price of the house is a little high. What do you think it would cost to throw in like a little media area, you know, a bar area, and like, you know, a little game area right,
How many
right over
areas
here?
do you want down here?
It's a big basement.
Well, it all depends on what you're looking to do, right? And it all depends on what level of finishes you're looking for. You have options. You have all kinds of space. You have space
It is
over there.
big.
You have space everywhere.
This is huge.
It's like the size of our apartment.
It is the size of our apartment.
Primary bath.
2 sinks.
Wow, look at the shower. Oh my God.
This is amazing.
This is huge.
I love it.
I love the pier. Oh, we can fish off of that.
Someday we could have a boat.
But first, Brendan and Ashley need to decide between newer or older homes before the baby comes.
Thank
Thank you.
Come on in, guys.
Go
Mom and
ahead.
Dad are in the kitchen making pizza. The house that we chose was the modern farmhouse. It's beautiful, and we really felt like we could make it our own.
It's got a large backyard. We've got room to play games with our new child. Just a beautiful place to raise a family.
To see you back. So, what do you think?
I love it.
The asking price for this house was $1.75 million. We ended up buying this house for $1.775 million. Even though it was off market, it was such a desirable house as well as neighborhood that there were 4 other bidders.
Goose, what are you looking for? Something to eat? You don't eat peppers.
Delicious.
You don't eat peppers.
The commute between this house and my parents is about 30 minutes. So it's a little far, but on a good day, it could be about 20 minutes.
My plan is to make the basement my space. I'm gonna make it very entertaining, like a nice sports room. Obviously, I wanted some old charm and old character in an older home. I did not get that, but I compromised because the house has got a lot of room. We're gonna build our character for the house ourselves, and it's got some charm to it as well.
This is what we wanted.
I know.
We finally have everybody over.
I know.